Hello everyone, boys and girls and parents alike, and welcome to Professor M's Art and Science Lab. Today we are going to create a model of the human lungs. I know there's so many kids out there wondering, how do we breathe? How does our body do this and do that? And in light of what's happening now with the coronavirus, where the lungs are the most affected than any other part in our body, I thought this would have been a wonderful opportunity to help kids understand how the lungs work. So today we are going to create our own model. And basically, I found this idea a couple of years ago when I was teaching my art and science lab at the Cambridge Center for the Arts. And so I have to give credit to the person who posted it online. It's from a website called Hello Wonderful. And the author is Agnes Hugh. Okay, so thank you very much, Agnes, for your idea. And I hope that the rest of you will enjoy making them with me. Now, we're going to need a few things for this. We are going to require, you can draw this yourself. I did it freehand, so you want to do a little nose and mouth and then the lungs. Again, super easy to do. You can do it freehand on a piece of paper. Also, we're going to need these wonderful little bags, just basically little sandwich bags, okay? We need 2 of those. And we need some bendy straws, okay? As you can see on the back, some of the bendy straws, because that's where everything's gonna sit. So when we blow in, it inflates the lungs. So what we're basically showing is that we are forcing air through the straws into our lungs, or the pockets that are in our lungs that the air is taken in, and then oxygen is taken out of the air. And then we breathe out. In this case, I'm breathing in so we can bring it out, and where carbon dioxide is going to come out. Okay, kids, so the first thing we need to do is we need to draw our template, which I already have. Then, boys and girls, what you want to do is you want to color in the nose, the mouth, and the lungs. I mean, be fun with the colors. You don't have to do anything natural looking. It could be whatever you want. Be abstract, be fun, whatever you like. This is your set of lungs, so have fun with it, okay? Once we've done that, boys and girls, we're gonna cut this out, okay? Now, while we are doing that, we're going to take our, excuse me here, we're going to take our sacks and our straws, okay? These are the bendy ones, you know, the ones that pull out and you can move them around, because that's what you want. You want them to be flexible so that you can maneuver them around the paper and have them sit properly. Because what we're gonna do after we've cut off the, if you're using Ziplocs, cut off the Ziploc part on top, then you will take it around the bottom of the straw, tape it really, really tight, make sure no air is coming out, and you can test it by blowing it into the bag with the straw. If air is coming out, if it's not blowing up properly, it's because there's an air, something that is not fully secured and air is getting out. So you want to make sure that the air is not getting out of the bags, okay? So once you've done that on both sides, you're now going to attach your colored templates to the lungs. So the straws are acting like the windpipe going down in our own bodies to our lungs, okay? And then what you're going to do, so you're going to tape them all. So we'll start with the lung part first, which makes the most sense. All you do is tape it to the bottom. You can use double-sided tape or regular Scotch tape to tape it on. It really is up to you. Then what you want to do is you want to put the lips down there. This is more for fun than anything else, because clearly our bodies do not look this close together. But boys and girls, remember, this is for fun. So then you want to put the nose on top. If you wanted to make a face over that, by all means, make it yours and have fun with it. That's the whole point. But the one thing we need to remember, boys and girls, about what lungs are about is that your lungs are organs in your chest that allow your body to take in oxygen from the air, as I talked about. They also help remove carbon dioxide. Remember, that's the stuff we breathe out. Which is a waste gas that can be toxic to the body. If that doesn't come out, that could really, really hurt us. So from your body. So the lungs intake the oxygen or bring in the oxygen, and then they remove or blow out the carbon dioxide, okay? And it's a gas. So and they call this a gas exchange. In with the good and out with the bad, as it were. Okay? So breathing in is a virtual function of life. If we cannot breathe in oxygen, we cannot survive. This is imperative. This is one of the most, well, not they're all important, but one of the most important systems in our body is our respiratory system. That's what we call that. Because without air, oxygen getting in, it cannot feed our blood cells, it cannot feed any cell in our body, and our body will die, unfortunately. So that's how important they are. So that's why we need to really take care of our lungs. We need to make sure they're healthy, and we want to take care of them because we want them to last as long as possible. Okay, so I want you guys to all go and have some fun and make your own. Have a blast. Maybe even have a challenge with family members or siblings to see who can make the most creative one, the most artistic looking or goofy looking or whatever, and just have fun with learning about your body. And have a great day. And until next time, Professor Ann says goodbye and good science.